Bunny, and this is Mommy.
Hi Keto Bunny. Today we're making keto brownies. How are you feeling about that, Kai?
Nice.
Yeah. So this is a flourless keto brownie, which is amazing. And all we've done is we've got all our ingredients out here. The fun thing about having a food processor or blender is you just throw everything in there. So Kai, can you help me out here, please? Let's move Barbie out of the way. Can you pour all this stuff? We've got our 2 eggs. Now, if you can find a sugar-free vanilla, please let me know. We're looking for one of those. Tap in. This is vanilla powder because we know it doesn't have any sugar. Baking powder. We're having some issues with our props. Coconut oil or ghee. You okay with that one? Your favorite nut butter. Today we're using peanut butter, which is higher in carbs, but if you wanted the optimal keto butters, you can do the next one. Then you want to go with macadamia, which is delicious, or almond. Next we have our chocolate. So if you can find sugar-free chocolate chips online, they're easy to find. Today we were stuck and our grocery store didn't have them, so we took some 90% Lindt, which is a little higher in carbs, so we've got to be careful here. But we just chopped it up. It's just as good. It's all going to melt. Our delicious cacao, which is full of magnesium, is a great antioxidant. Oh my God. There you go. Our sugar. So sugar, guys, this is your -- thing. Look for something that is like erythritol, xylitol, stevia, monk fruit's really great. Oh, gosh. Okay, so that is going to give you that sweetness without spiking your blood sugar, right, buddy? This is a fun one. So this is gelatin. So gelatin, like you would experience in your Jell-O, is actually going to help it make it chewy. So we'll send you the recipe afterwards. Drop a emoji or a GIF if you'd like this recipe. We've got our pink salt, which has 78 minerals, which is amazing for people that have keto. Be careful not to get depleted in your electrolytes. So having 1/8 of a teaspoon of your pink electrolytes, your pink salt every day, or a low carb electrolyte will help you with that. Keeps your brain fueled. This is the fun part. So 3/4 to 1 full avocado. Make sure it's a decent sized avocado. Next thing, yeah. Now we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna blend it. So after we blend it, only for 30 seconds, don't over blend it, it changes the consistency completely. We're gonna pour it in our wax paper here in a flat square pan. And we're gonna pop it in the oven. But one quick tip, we're losing my assistant here, is your 30 seconds, you're gonna fold, get the avocado that's gonna be chunky. You're going to fold it back in. After you've folded it and blitzed it just 1 or 2 more times, then we're going to pour it in here because avocado is known to be quite chunky. So Kai, are we ready? All right, so we're going to pop this in here and we'll show you afterwards how delicious this wrap is supposed to be turned out. Thanks for watching. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we're taking the lid off because it's been 30 seconds. We want to scrape out the insides because I guarantee we're going to see some chunky avocado happening here.